హే వ్యూవర్స్, మనం ఇవాళ ఒక స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్తో ఉన్నాము. మీరందరికీ బాగా తెలిసిన గెస్టే, బట్ రీసెంట్గా ఏ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఇవ్వలేదు. సో ఐ డ్రీమ్కి ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇస్తున్నారు. ముమైత్ ఈస్ హియర్.
That's it. This is what you're going to tell about me.
ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఉంది ఇంకా చాలా ప్రైజింగ్.
అచ్చా చాలా ప్రైసింగ్ ఉంది, కరెక్ట్? ఓకే, డన్.
చాలా ఏంటి ముమైత్ అప్ టు దీస్ డేస్? ఏం చేస్తుంది ముమైత్? రికవరింగ్ ఫ్రమ్
This year Jan I had aneurysm coiling done. That is because I met with an accident at home because my floor is marble and I have Italian bed. So normally Italian bed have sharp edges, right? You have square, low bed, square one and proper. So because of the floor being marble, I slipped and then I banged my head on the corner.
ఓకే.
Which I thought, okay, fine, I'll be fine. But then I directly got up in the hospital. And then I thought, oh, did I hurt my head so bad that I got stitches and I'm in the hospital right now?
ఓకే.
And then I get to know, because I don't remember anything, then I get to know that I bursted my 3 nerves and my brain was bleeding for 2 days continuously, which I don't know about it. I was in coma for 14 days.
గాడ్,
No, I'm serious.
ఆర్ యు సీరియస్?
I'm not joking. Do you want the CD of my operation? You'll find andas in my brain. You'll find titanium wires in my brain. I have 9 titanium wires. So while the surgery was happening, because the 2 other nerves were swollen.
ఓకే.
So when they were injected, it was a very high upgraded version of operation, because normally anything happens with the brain, they shave, they cut, they stitch and everything. But this was very simple. It was from the hip bone. They inject you the wire which goes and block the area from where it's bleeding, the nerves are bleeding. So while inserting the 3rd one, I bursted my 2 more nerves because it was swollen. So the pressure, it bursted more. So even the doctors, they got so scared. So for safety purpose, they put 9 titanium wires in my brain. So
వెన్ దిస్ హ్యాపెన్?
Jan 5th this year. Okay. Yeah. And I was, he literally said it, I'm not supposed to walk for 8 months because in aneurysm, it's advanced one. It's
Okay.
upgraded one. So what happens in that, even tying your shoe, it's a major problem. So I was not supposed to bend. My blood pressure should not, it was not supposed to go more than 130. It was like nothing. I was not supposed to do no tension. And best part, I bursted my sensory system nerves because we have 4 brains, right? 2 bigger and 2 smaller. So one side, it gives you the sense of your feelings, your happiness, sad and everything. The other one is for your system and, like, you know, so more and so on, because that's where the whole your body is connected. So I bursted my sensory system nerves. So, and I was the youngest patient in the hospital to get it done. And I was supposed to be out within 3 months, which I got out within 1 month because I missed my doggy, Molly. I told the doctor very clearly, या तो मुझे जाने दो या तो मेरे कुत्ते को लेकर आ जाओ, ये दोनों में से एक करो. And because I was the youngest patient, normally it happens with the older people. The doctors, they were quite curious to leave me or not to leave me because they don't know how will I recover. See, for old people, it's very easy because they're going to be on the bed for the most of the time. There is no walking, no exercise. And my job is completely different. I am more hyper, I am more active, I dance, I love music. So it's completely opposite. So they were quite scared, but at the same time, I gave them the confidence, like, you know, I have to do it. I need to get out because I cannot recover like this. I cannot. I need normal place to recover because from my childhood, I've never been a person like, you know, it's there in many people habit to victimize themselves and be like, oh, look at me, poor me, sympathize me. You know, there are people like that. And I am not at all like that. For me, it's like, okay, okay, forget it. Let's do something else. So when that happened, so he said it not to walk or work out or even do anything for 8 months. And he literally said it not to work for 2 years. No work. Nothing.
సో tika is your last movie, right?
No, I'm working, babe.
Okay, sorry.
As soon as I got out from the hospital, I got out within 1 month, 14 days. And I was supposed to go for my first checkup. So, iske liye for a month I was in Mumbai. I went for a checkup, and the first thing he said, "You're not supposed to work." And I just told he's a senior doctor from Bombay Hospital. Like, he's no more. God bless him. He's no more. He was my doctor, P.L. Tiwari. He said it. No, you cannot work. And with this thing, now what happens? There is actually no filter from my brain till my mouth. Now it is more. There is no filter from my brain till my mouth. So when he said that, I was like, how am I supposed to recover my money which I gave it to your hospital? How can you say not to work? How is it not possible? I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? तूने ना मेरा मुँह ऐसा देखा. And good, I went with my cousin brother. I looked at my cousin brother because with this thing you get panic really faster, you get stressed out really faster, and get hyper really faster, which I'm not supposed to do it.
Okay.
I looked at my brother. I'm like, dude, तू समझाना पड़ेगा इसको, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है language. I cannot explain him. You have to tell him. I cannot explain. I am completely pakka fine. I personally feel that because I believe in the more you manifest, the more you feel and you have a willpower कि नहीं यार, it is normal, it will happen, this is life and this is how it is. You cannot do anything about it. You cannot cry, you cannot do anything about it. This is what your life is. Simple. I was doing that. I don't know what he was talking. I don't have any idea. As soon as I came out from my first checkup, I looked at him. He's like, see, you can work.
Okay.
Yes. And if it does break, there is no chance for you to survive. Because this is a very delicate situation. And with your thing, because you're the youngest patient and you're so hyper and all of that, that's the reason why we are telling you to take care and make sure your BP doesn't go above 130. So the previous year, I used to work out. I stopped working out because of this. So now no workout, no listening to loud music, no doing anything. So after that checkup, I was like, you know what, I need to go back to Hyderabad. बस हो गया अब तो बस अब हैदराबाद भागो नहीं because over here even though I don't work, even though if I chill, at least you're away from something, like you want to be away from the situation which has already occurred and you don't want to be in the same place.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Place मारते you get that refreshment.
Back again and again, यार ऐसा हो गया, अरे ऐसा हो गया, ऐसे. So I wanted to change. So I wanted to leave the house and put my house on rent and come here.
Okay.
So within a month, I kept my house on rent and I came here and I started chilling out. And then Swapna Dutt called, Munnu, will you do this? Da 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 da. I'm like, Dik Swapna, I don't have any problem, but there is this problem. I would love to test myself. I would love to come on this show and I would love, because I am one keeda. If you say no to me, I will try. See, I will not say मैं 100% तुम नहीं बोलो मैं हाँ करूँगी. My situation will be like 50-50. थोड़ा कर लेते, थोड़ा नहीं भी कर लेते, देख लेते क्या situation है. Like, you know, my thing is like that.
Give it a try.
हाँ, I have always been like this, babe. I have never, if you see my graph of work also, I never chose A grade, B grade, C grade, या reality show नहीं करना, या TV नहीं करना, या ये नहीं करना. मैंने सब किया. क्योंकि I don't want to be in one situation or one category all the time. If you see, I did female oriented, characters also, item song also, then reality shows also, television also, judging also. I did everything because I don't want to categorize myself into one thing. Me, I believe myself as a performer. I'm not an artist.
Yes.
I'm not an actress, I'm not an artist, I'm a performer. I love to perform, I love to entertain. Because I am like that with my own self. So that's the reason why. Then I told Swapna, okay, Swapna, see, I don't have any problem to do it. But Swapna, the day when I said, no, my neck dukh raha hai, take me to the hospital immediately because this is the whole scene.
Okay.
Then they had all the medical and everybody set up for me. My staff were there. Like, she's a very, 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 very dear friend of mine. Including Navdeep, including all the contestants, including everything for Super 2. So I went and I was like, कर लेते मुन्नू, देखते क्या होता है. तो you will see even in Super 2 मैंने एक see होता है करने, पर दिल बोलता है नहीं, कभी कुछ हो, because now I'm on the position, I will not say कि कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा है, पर it is a very dangerous thing. Now
For Super 2 is dangerous for your situation, right? By that time.
yeah, I did all the stunt.
Yeah, I have seen that.
तो करना है, नहीं ताकत है तो then forget it. And then जब वो अमूल्या से तो झगड़ा हुआ, I never expected कि मेरा उससे कभी झगड़ा होगा because I really loved that girl so much. She was the only one who used to sit alone in the bus.
Seriously, will that happen in shows?
yeah.
Like a serious jagda between people?
Because I did not like the fact you don't make a face. You don't make face because she did with me, she did with the Pooja also. चलो अगर मैं अच्छी driver नहीं हूँ, I'm a just do the beep if it's possible. If I'm a fuck-all driver also, and I'm a bad driver, I don't have a judgment, bloody, I am blind. मैं blind if you see the episode. मैं इतना हंसी when I saw the episode, मैंने कहा अमूल्या is right on the waist. इतना थोड़ा, इतना सा left, इतना थोड़ा. Dude, I'm blind, I cannot see anything. Even though you make the expression और इतना करके, it is pathetic because I cannot see anything. My whole intention है वो बच्चा के जाना है और ऊपर चढ़ाना है. अरे बेचारी को मैं मानती हूँ, चलो उसको ड्राइविंग का डी भी नहीं आता है, शी डजंट नो अबाउट इट. एटलीस्ट बी नॉर्मल. गलती भी हो गया, इट्स अ टीम टास्क यार. कौन सा इतना बड़ा पहाड़ टूट गया, इट्स जस्ट अ टास्क, इट्स अ गेम. You know what I'm saying?
You have done more stunts also, no? They're like,
Which you can do so many things यार. तो वो लड़की,
even a problem aina? Was it a problem for you for this?
of course it was a problem because as soon as she came out, she stupid ऐसा करके उसने कुछ बोला. And with this operation and all that, you get hyper really fast. You get very hyper fast and the reaction come immediately. There is no stopping of the reaction. I'm sorry. Still, when they came and took my interview, I was like, see, it's a team task. I cannot blame her and she cannot blame me. They did not, I guess they did not show because they were concentrating on me, what I was saying. They were not concentrating on her expression much. They showed me because what I was talking. मैं देख रही हूँ ना, वो मुंह बना रही है. ये मुंह में मुंह मत बना पागल. मुंह पागल है. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Like, what is wrong with you? Don't do that. And it's a television. She did with me, and she's like, oh, who are you? Then she got a guts. Guts हो गया तो मैंने अब भी कौन है तुम्हें? अब तो तू गई. अब तो मैंने इतने प्यार से बात कर रही हूँ. Now you don't bloody judge my, you know, I am being nice to you. Don't take me for granted. If I love you, I will give you my everything. And if I hate you, I will take everything. Even if I've given you the underwear also, and I will take it. I will not leave. I'm sorry. Mine is very clear. I cannot be diplomatic. I cannot be politically right. I cannot do all of that because I'm a very open heart person. I care a hell about what society thinks about what. I stand for myself and I do myself. So I was reading all the comments also over there. Oh, poor Amulya. Who told Mumai to come? And I was thinking, look at the whole world. If it happens to their own mother, sister or their wife, their girlfriend, they will stand for it. And because I am standing for myself and I have my own voice, because nobody can, if I have my own voice, I bet anyone who will stand. I bet. मैं खुद का ही ख्याल रखूंगी. मेरे को माँ बाप की जरूरत नहीं है और मेरे को किसी की सिंपैथी की जरूरत नहीं है. मेरी गलती मैं खुद सुधारूंगी. मेरा अच्छा मैं खुद देखूंगी. क्रेडिट मैं खुद को दूंगी और मेरे माँ बाप को क्रेडिट दूंगी कि मेरे जैसी लड़की को पैदा किया.
ఇప్పుడు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇలాగే ఉందా ముమ్మ అయితే ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ చైల్డ్హుడ్
from the childhood. Ask my mother. Since childhood I have always been like this. You be nice to me, I'll be very nice to you. You ask me anything, it's always 24/7 it's available for you and my door is open for you. My mother also knows. वो किया, वो होने के बाद what happened, I was not supposed to yell. And plus I was doing all the stunts. It was giving me pressure.
Okay.
I was not supposed to do that. So वो build up. So when final आया तो मैंने, और please, but do you genuinely think I have gone over there to do a competition with girls? No, I was there to test myself. क्योंकि मेरे को इंजरी हुआ है. मुझे देखना है कि मुझ में कितनी ताकत है.
Okay.
How much power do I have to take it? You know, you have a willpower. So my only thing was, even though if I reach to the top, I will never do the final with them. That was from the beginning. I will never do any finals with them. It was from the beginning. पर अगर top में आया, एक चीज़ है, I will motivate the girls. Can see, And I told Swapna, don't tell anybody about it, because till the end, till the time I don't decide to leave, and if the pressure doesn't happen too much for me, till the time I don't decide to leave, don't tell people about it, because I don't want that sympathy and all that jazz. क्योंकि वो है ना, seeing na, the judging of people will become different towards you. You know, when
you're not well, that sympathy, you know.
and मेरे को नहीं पसंद. I don't like it. I genuinely don't like it. So when in the end, when I said it, they all were shocked, and I was like, एक तो उसको yell करना, फिर कल वो apple भी उठाना नीचे से. I was not supposed. I don't know how to swim. I was not supposed to do the water stunt.
Okay.
And because I left gym, right? And after leaving gym, your body becomes, because your muscles are there. You grow muscles. और एक बार gym, once you leave, तो muscles lose होते हैं.
Okay.
Fat doesn't come. The muscles become loose, and that's where your weight become more heavy.
Okay.
So when the water wala scene was there, the poor guys, they couldn't rotate me. I was laughing my ass out. I was like, oh my god, I've become so fat. Still I did the pressure stunts, still I jumped from the heights, still I did lot of things. But उसको चिल्लाने के बाद थोड़ा pressure ज़्यादा हो गया.
Okay.
Because I am a person, if you call me on time, especially for shoot, I'm always on time. I don't do hair and makeup. If you have seen me in the whole Super 2 also, there is no makeup. Otherwise, in normal thing, मेरे पास time नहीं 5 बजे उठ के makeup and hair करने. Sorry. I would rather take rest and eat my medicine and, like, you know, recover myself, start healing myself. So that day I didn't get up. So I thought, नहीं यार, अब नहीं. ये एक लक्की होता है, 2 लक्की होता है, 3 बार लक्की होता है. उसके बाद तो भगवान भी खुद बोलेगा बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही है, छोड़ दे. So that's where I realized, when I didn't get up on time for my shoot, for my work, I told Swapna, नहीं भाई Swapna, बस I guess top भी हो गया है, I have reached on the top, बस है. Let me leave the message to motivate people, because there are many people who go through depression, diabetes, obesity. They go through so many illness, sickness, and, like, you know, frustration, monthly expenses, कैसा पैसा कमाना, हर महीना कैसा देना है घर में, घर चलाना है, क्या क्या नहीं problem है. Everybody have this problem. That problem can only be solved if you keep yourself happy.
Okay.
No need to run behind anything.
కానీ 14 years అప్పుడు ముమ్మాయిత్ 13 years అప్పుడు ముమ్మాయిత్ ఆ మనీ గురించే బయటకు వచ్చింది.
From the age of 13 I started working, because in all my previous interviews, if you have seen that, we have reached to the position where my mom used to even search for 50 paisa in the house.
You did piercing on your tongue and you're famous for that, no? ఆ tongue మీద piercing. Show to camera.
It is there since ages. I did when I was 18 years old. I'm 31 now.
తినేటప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం అనిపించదా?
यार it's like you're hearing it, क्या ये हमेशा यही क्वेश्चन क्यों आता है, खाना खाने के बाद अटकता नहीं है. No, it's the same thing like your piercing.
A piercing, but you won't eat from here, no?
अरे इसको ये क्या मतलब हो गया? It's just normal, like a normal piercing.
Okay.
But it's fun, yeah, babe. This is how life is. You're supposed to be happy. Do things what you love to do in your life. Don't listen to others. कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला.
And ముమ్మాయిత్ కానీ దాని గురించే బాగా ఏది అంటే అది ఏది లోపల ఉంటుందో అదే చెప్తుంది అని.
You are supposed to be like that. People are gonna like you. Some people are gonna hate you for it. So care a hell about who's gonna hate you, because don't change your personality for someone because you don't fit in.
ఏదో ఒక పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం లో
You don't have to categorize yourself and be for a person to fit in. You don't have to. You will fit in anywhere in life. That's how God has made you. Nobody can take anybody's fate anywhere. Until and unless you ruin it from your own hand. That is different.
మన ఓన్ హ్యాండ్స్ తో రూయిన్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా రిగ్రెట్స్ ఉండదు ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్.
Regrets, you're supposed to regret 1 or 2 days, but then move on. Move on. Walk forward. If you stay in the past, babe, वो तो past ही हो जाएगा ना, babe. I personally feel जो मुझसे डरता है या तो वो झूठा रहेगा, चोर रहेगा, या तो कुछ तो
Who are not true to them.
जो गलत रहेगा इंसान वो मुझसे दूर भागता है, क्योंकि मुंह पे लगाम नहीं है ना, from brain till my mouth. If you do wrong, I will say, babe, this is wrong. whether you like it or don't like it. If you will not like it, you will never talk to me. And it will never matter to me also. It will never matter. What to do? माँ बाप ने वैसे ही रखा है, मेरा पप्पा वैसे रहता है. My dad is staying like this. I have seen my dad since childhood like that. You know that?
కాదు ముమైత్ ఖాన్ మూవీస్లోకి వచ్చేసాక అంటే ఫస్ట్ బయటికి పంపించడానికి మదర్ చెప్పారు ఫాదర్ తెలిస్తే ఏమన్నా అంటారు అని.
Father got to know after when we regular started working. So that's where my mother became hero, entered in the position, and because माँ का ही काम होता है. माँ ही पापा को हमका पापा ने ऐसा डरा के रखा है कि बड़े लोग बात करते बीच में बात नहीं करने का. घर में मीटिंग होता है बड़े लोगों का, घर से बाहर भगा देती थी मम्मी, बाहर जाओ खेलने. कभी हम लोग के सामने कोई मैटर नहीं, कभी नहीं. माई मदर कॉल्स माई फादर शमू का पप्पा. दैट इज माई एल्डर सिस्टर नेम शमीना. तो शमू का पप्पा.
यूजुअली नॉर्थ साइड पीपल कॉल दैट लाइक दैट ओनली ना.
पहले बच्चे के नाम से, सुनो गोपी के पप्पा. आई टोल्ड माई मदर, मम्मी मैं इतना करने के बाद तुम मेरे पापा को मुन्नू के पापा क्यों नहीं बोलते हो? मुन्नू के पापा बुलाओ. इतना हंसते हैं. So that's why my mother explained my father about the whole situation.
Wow.
Being a Pathan and coming from a very conservative family, जो बचपन में नहीं मालूम था, थोड़ा बड़े होने के बाद ही पता चला. So that's where my father was very chilled out.
Okay, he was okay.
He was very much okay, very supportive.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది మెచ్యూరిటీ? ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక వచ్చిందా లేకపోతే?
हाँ, industry will always teach you because I grew up in the industry from the age of 13. So my maturity comes from the industry and secondly seeing my father and mother. इसने ये इंसान ने ऐसा किया ना अल्लाह उसको दिखाएगा, इसने उसको वैसा किया ना मेरे दिल की हाई है. You know, a normal conversation does happen in the any house. मैंने आज तक का नहीं सुना मेरे मॉम डैड के मुंह से. टिल टुडे तो मेरे मन में भी नहीं आता है. टिल टुडे मेरा माँ बाप कभी नहीं बोलेगा. एक ही बोलता है, बेटा जो जैसा करता है ना करने दो, तुम तुम्हारा काम करो. मैं आजकल मैं बोलने लगी. टिल लाइक राइट नाउ आई कीप सेइंग नो इट्स अ कलयुग का टाइम. जो जैसा करता है ना उसको सुना के फिर अच्छा सो बोलकर निकल जाओ. आज मैं बोलने लगती हूँ. मेरे माँ बाप आज तक का दे डोंट स्पीक बैड अबाउट एनीबॉडी. 9 दिन काम आएगा, 10वें दिन वो गायब होगी, मॉम भड़क जाएगी. 11वें दिन आके सॉरी बोलेगी, मॉम फिर से काम पे लगाएगी. तो माफ करने का आदत ही है दोनों को, मॉम डैड को आदत है. तुम कितना भी बुरा करके चले जाओगे ना, पैसे चोरी करके ले जाओ, झूठ बोल के चले जाओ, कुछ लेके चले जाओ, तभी खराब लगेगा. बट विद इन द सेकेंड डे इफ यू कम एंड बी सॉरी अबाउट इट, दे विल फॉरगिव यू. दे विल फॉरगिव यू. तो वो बचपन से मैंने देखा है. Since childhood I have seen that in my parents. So
ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చాక పేరెంట్స్ తో ఎలాంటి గొడవ అవ్వలేదు ఇక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళ అడ్వైస్ ఇవ్వడం కానీ?
I only believe in my family is my mother, father, Shamina Didi, my brother-in-law, Shamir Shamroz, my nephew, me and Zabain. ये मेरा family है. I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky. My elder nephew is 21 years old. My younger one is 19 years old.
Oh.
I'm very lucky to have family who supports me for each and every small thing. You have to change. You cannot constantly be stable. You cannot. And when you change to become stronger. When you change to motivate people. When you change to inspire people. When you change, the change is good when that change is keeping you happy. नहीं फर्क पड़ता. Because people are going to judge you, you will get to know what their thought process is about this whole thing. You will get to know किस तरह के प्रकार के प्राणी हैं. There are different types of प्राणीज on this planet with different attitude, different thought process, different thinking. You will not only get positive, you will get negative also. तो पता तो चले. Do it. You will get to know who's right and who's wrong. कैसे कैसे टाइप के लोग होते हैं दुनिया में, सीखो. दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू एनीबडी टू लर्न.
ओके.
डोंट थिंक ओ शिट जैब में ये डायलॉग तो चुराने वाली हूँ तेरा. माई सिस्टर का डायलॉग है, ये डायलॉग माई सिस्टर ज़बाइन शी टोल्ड मी वन डे, बिकॉज आई गेट वेरी अपसेट इमीडिएटली, जो अभी नहीं हो रही हूँ मैं, जो फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा, और ऑपरेशन के बाद तो और भी फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, जाओ जो करना है कर लो, जो उखाड़ना है उखाड़ लो, इट डजेंट मैटर टू मी. सो शी सेड इट, मुन्नू डू यू एक्चुअली थिंक, तेरा तो ऐसा है मुन्नू कि मैं शेर को नहीं खाती तो शेर मुझे भी नहीं खाएगा. इट्स अ फैक्ट, इट्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग थिंकिंग. That if I am not eating lion, the lion will not eat me. It is the wrong thinking. Because I used to think, na, I am not bad with anybody. I am not doing wrong to anybody. I am not hurting anybody. So why people are hurting me? So that's where the dialogue comes. And that stuck in my brain. मैंने हाँ यार, ठीक है, भाड़ों में जाए, मेरे को ज़रूरत ही नहीं किसी के ऊपर भी इतना थिंकिंग डालने की या इतना सोचने की कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. You learn from life, yeah. So much you learn. अरे यार, I went for this Vizag show, which I never did it, and they're calling me from last 4 years. Correct? 4 या 5 years.
వైజాగ్ దగ్గర చిన్న విలేజ్ లో ఏదో షో దట్ వన్
5 साल से बेचारे लोग मुझे बुला रहे, and I never did it because I was on break. I took a break. I went to Mumbai. कि मैं अभी मेरा लाइफ एंजॉय करना है, मैंने टीन्स नहीं देखा, 20s नहीं देखा, कुछ लाइफ एंजॉय ही नहीं किया, तो मैं भागू तो सही मुंबई. That's the reason why I took a break. So over here you saw all the rumor what they have started. ठीक है, which never matter, which doesn't even matter to me. When I went Vizag ka, they started saying I've turned into recording dancer. And I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? मैंने सही है करो कर लो. I'm like करो, because see, you get to see, you know me as a person, so you know me. Correct? And people who know me, and when they read everything about this, imagine उन लोग कितना हंसते होंगे ये लोगों पर कि just to create a nuisance, a gossip, just for that one click on your website, you write this. कमाने दो पैसा, उसका भी घर मेरे से ही चल रहा है, चला भाई कमा, ऐसा सब है. When I came back, I finished Tikka and started promotion, and when I went to audio function, that's where then one guy, I don't know from where, he writes, I have 3 husbands from 3 different caste.
యా ఐ హర్డ్ దట్
भी नहीं यार, 3 अलग अलग कास्ट है. Lady was like, ये क्या बात हो गई, कैथलिक, मुस्लिम और प्रॉपर तेलंगाना. सही है, अब बच्चे कब पैदा करूंगी वो बता देना. ऐसा होता है babe, when you reach to a position ना, this is what happens, and I have accepted. अरे मैंने ये भी decide किया है, जो लोग on my Facebook whatever they write also ना, सब का नाम निकाल के, उनके सब के कमेंट्स निकाल के एक दिन बैठ के लाइव वीडियो करूँगी. ये ऐसे टाइप के लोग होते हैं हमारे उधर. देखो, अगर मैं बोल्ड कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को बचपन से एक ही चीज़ सिखाया है, दिस इज़ योर जॉब. You're supposed to do your job. Right now you're doing your job. Are you going to wear your bikini? If I'm going to say wear your bikini and take my interview, are you going to do that? No. Do you think in office, corporate world, they can wear casual and go? No. You have to wear formals. So this is my job. And if I'm respecting my job, I am doing my job without thinking about that somebody is looking at my boobs or somebody is looking at my ass. I'm not even thinking about it because my focus is completely my job. तो जिसकी सोच गलत है तो वो तो दिख ही रहा है ना. इट इज सीन. प्रकार प्राणीज, डिफरेंट प्राणीज, एनिमल्स ऑन आवर लैंड, इट्स इजी टू सी. सो यू शुड नॉट फील बैड ऑल्सो अबाउट इट. आई डोंट फील बैड. आई जेन्युइनली डोंट फील बैड, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है एज एन आर्टिस्ट मैं सबका पेट भर रही हूँ.
బట్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ అండ్ బోల్డ్ మెంటాలిటీ వర్కౌట్ అవ్వదు కదా, ఇక్కడ అన్ని చుప్పా జరుగుతుంటాయి.
12 years I'm in this industry, yaar. You're saying I've always been like this.
అంటే మీకు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చాయా మీ యాటిట్యూడ్తో? రాలేదు, అస్సలు రాలేదు. మేబీ మీ ముందు కాకపోయినా మీ వెనకైనా ఎవరైనా
Who cares?
దానివల్ల మీ కెరియర్ ఏమి డిస్టర్బ్ అవ్వలేదు?
Do you see anything wrong with my career? वो तो break I took.
ఎస్.
Before that, every day तो I was working. Who cares? Genuinely, who cares? बोला ना, people who are liar, who are chore, who have black heart and who are wrong will run away from me.
ఓకే.
There is no lock on my tongue. There is no filter from my brain till my mouth.
ఎనీ ఆఫర్స్ మీకు ఇచ్చారు మూవీలో, మిమ్మల్ని సైన్ చేయించేశారు మీ చేత, ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చి లేదు ఇంకేదైనా రీజన్ వల్ల మిమ్మల్ని తీసేసామని అలా చెప్పిన సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
No man, never. Touch wood, by God grace.
వన్స్ ముంబై ఫిక్స్ అయితే ఫిక్స్.
Fix it. There is nothing. Never happened. Never happened. क्योंकि till the time I don't take the signing amount, मैं confirm ही नहीं करती हूँ तो. तब जब signing amount ले लिया तो उसको झक मार के करना ही पड़ेगा. When I take the signing amount, they have to do it. When you want to work with me, this is the whole thing is there. Simple. Mine is very simple. You call me 7 o'clock shift, I'll be there by 5 o'clock, I'll go sleep, I'll make up over there, I'll be ready before your camera or anything is also ready. I'll be in the van. You call me 15 minutes prior, I have to only get up, do the touch up and go out and work.
ఓకే.
My life is this. This is my job. मैं अपना जॉब को अगर प्यार नहीं करूँगी, if I will not love my job, if I will not love what I do, babe कैसा work होगा? I will not survive in our industry for 12 years. I came here at the age of 18. I'm 31 now.
టాలీవుడ్కి 18.
Yes. Bollywood I went from the age till 13 till Munna Bhai I did when I was 17. They took my parents' signature. I did Lucky. I was 18. After 18 I came here to do Swami movie. Then Puri's 143, then Chhatrapati, then Pokiri, and then that's how it went down. So I've been in our Telugu industry, our Tollywood industry, our Andhra Pradesh, our Hyderabad from the age of 18.
ఓకే.
I genuinely am telling you, this is like my second house. I'm not kidding. Ego bolte ne, where are you born in? Mumbai, born and brought up. Where do you work? I work in Mumbai also and Hyderabad also. But mostly, if you see everything I'm wearing, it is from my industry. Because of my fans. They loved me, I earned and I could wear and I could look like this and be like this. It is all them. Nothing. 12 years, babe. I gave to our industry, babe.
ఇంత స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉండే ముంబై కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్ ఏమైనా ఫేస్ చేసిందా?
No. Nobody had any guts to even come there. When you asked, did any of your relatives come to your mother? Same way. Did anybody have the guts to come to me? No. No. They know ये पागल है, मारेगी पकड़ के. They know very well. She will hit. They know very well. That's why no.
మీకు ఎవరైనా ఇష్టపడ్డారా? డిడ్ యూ లైక్ ఎనీవన్ ఇన్ ఎన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
I like everyone, babe.
నో అలా కాదు, ఒక రిలేషన్షిప్ కోసం.
No. My one funda from Bombay itself, where you work, don't do anything over there. When your work is done, your personal life is completely different than your professional life. So मेरा personal life, if you see my FB page and all that, you saw how much I party and I do my thing. वो मेरा life है. If you judge me for that, it's your mistake, not mine. I'm sorry. But when I'm working, I am working. There is no, यार ये मेरा काम है यार. This is my work.
క్రష్ అయితే ఉంటుంది కదా డైలీ, మామూలుగా నార్మల్ పర్సన్స్ కంటే మీరు ఎక్కువ మందితే.
नहीं वो क्रश इमेजिन मैंने बचपन से वो दिमाग में नहीं डाला है. नहीं. Where you work, no. Because growing up in the industry, I have seen a lot. तो जब तुम सीख ही लेते हो देख कर, तो तुम्हारा
చూసి నేర్చుకోవడం ఒకటి, మిమ్మల్ని ఫేస్ చేసి మీకు అది తగిలి నేర్చుకొని రియలైజ్ అవ్వడం ఒకటి కదా. సో మీరు ఎవరినైనా మీ ఇష్టపడడం కానీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో లేదు, అసలు లేదు?
I will not lie. If there is something, I will say. जब इतना पूरा मैंने बोला तो ये भी बोलूँगी. There is no. But good friends are there. Good friends. Genuinely like Bombay mentality people. ये good friends का अलग मतलब वाला good friends नहीं. Proper Bombay, the way I am, open mentality and open minded. Hey, what's up, dude? Oh, fuck, man, blah, blah. वैसे type का I have friends here.
ఓకే.
Good friends are there. That's it. उसके अलावा नहीं, babe.
70+ మూవీస్ ఇదేనా? 70+.
18 years from the age of 13 till 31.
ఇండస్ట్రీస్తో కలిపి.
Including background dancer and everything, more than 150. As a background dancer, including that with the character, with all the movies, Bombay and here, more than 150 because Rose come.
అండ్ 17 years ఇండస్ట్రీలో.
Yeah, 13 to 31. No?
సో ఈ జర్నీ ఒక్క 2 లైన్స్లో చెప్పండి. మీ వచ్చిన దగ్గర నుంచి
Fantastic. Look at Mumayat today, man. Journey is fantastic.
రిగార్డ్లెస్
I'm very happy. I am very happy. I'm genuinely very happy. काम मिले नहीं मिले doesn't matter. बहुत प्यार मिलता है. When my this operation also happened, my mother said it. बेटा तुझे तेरे फैंस की दुआ है और तेरे को जानवरों का दुआ है because I love pets ना.
వావ్ సేమ్ పించ్
हाँ मेरा माँ बोल शी वॉज टेलिंग मी कि बेटा देखो तेरा फैंस का दुआ और तेरा जानवरों का दुआ है तो तू बच गई मैं बच गई तो इसके लिए देर इज आई एम वेरी हैप्पी इन वेर एवर पोजिशन आई बी इवन दो इफ आई वर्क इन द इंडस्ट्री और आई डोंट वर्क इन द इंडस्ट्री touch wood my goal was to satisfy my parents and make something and keep it so that when they die very satisfyingly. There shouldn't be any problem. और उनके मरने के बाद भी they should not think यार मेरे बच्चे के साथ क्या होगा. तो माँ ने भी बच्चे के लिए इतना बना के रख दिया उसी के ही पैसे का. तो इसके लिए टेंशन है ही नहीं. और पहले से ना फेम मनी इतना मुझे बॉदर किया तो मैं तो नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रही हूँ. So even though if I work or I don't work, मैं normal खुश हूँ. मेरे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स हैं. That's it. I don't have any.
ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీ కాకపోతే ఇంకా లేదు వర్క్ ఇక్కడ అనుకొని చాలు అనుకుంటా
I leave to US. My mentality doesn't match. It's completely different than other people.
ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది యూఎస్లో
अरे मेरी माँ ने तो बोला है. My mother said it. बेटा, you have your property ना. Sell one, buy it in US. Go stay there, live your life, settle there. Because your mentality doesn't match. And my mother said it. वहाँ पे नहीं है. So the wages are good. Even though if I go and work in Victoria's Secret or H&M or any big brand, I'll get good amount. और उधर ही जाकर उधर ही LA में, Burbank में you'll find all the studios. Go give the interview. एक तो profile तो है ना online इतना बड़ा. Enjoy your life. Spend nicely. Meet someone whom you think your same mentality guy. If you don't meet also, still you're happy because alcohol is very, very, very cheap. Though I cannot drink.
యూ కెనాట్ డ్రింక్
आफ्टर माई ऑपरेशन बट स्टिल अपने आप ना दिल को बोल के तसल्ली हो जाती है कि हाँ नहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो फन हो जाएगा. So that's what I have decided.
సో ముమైత్ డార్క్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ చూసింది అంటే ఫినాన్షియల్ కానీ అండ్ ఫేమ్ ఈ గ్రాఫ్ చూసింది. సో ముమైత్ సోషల్ సర్వీస్ లాంటివి ఏమన్నా వాటిల్లో ఉంది అంటే కొంచెం ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చూసి ఫేమ్ చూసిన వాళ్ళకి ఆ పెయిన్ తెలుస్తుంది.
See, I would love to do that, but I would still want to come on that position to do that.
ఓకే
Right now, whatever I did was for myself and my family. You know, there is this saying, the charity begins at home.
ఎస్
The charity begins at home and it is true. So till now, Mumayat only gave her life taking care of her house and her family, her mother and father. That was her whole goal. And whatever she has right now, it is only enough for that.
ఓకే
She cannot share it with anybody. क्योंकि वो शेयर करने जाएगी ना खुद ही टूट के गिर जाएगी. So I will not be like यार नहीं मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है तो भी मैं करके दूंगी. No 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 मेरे को इतना दयावान नहीं बनना है. I would rather work sensible. I would rather do smart things where I know यार ठीक है किसी और से या कैसे भी socially करके we can give it. I would love to be part of something like that where I can really help it. And I especially want to help all the animals and old age people. मेरा ये अरमान है. This is my dream for sure.
ఎన్ని పెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీ దగ్గర పెట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి
Now तो I have one Molly. इतनी छोटी है, so much attitude she's got. She's worse than her owner.
ఈ రేస్డ్ బై యూ
हाँ that's why I'm saying ना she's worse than her owner. She's worst. They say it ना your pet is the reflection of your owner. She's worst. I was never like that. She's a mini pincher. She's only 3 feet. Her attitude is of 15 feet. और जैसे कुछ ऐसे भी आवाज आए ना she'll run first. She will run first for her life. She will run first. हाँ. And then one day I was telling her, Molly, बेटा हम लोग सब मर जाएंगे, तू अकेली रहेगी, तेरे को कौन देखे ऐसा भागते नहीं साथ में मरने का, भागना नहीं. She is Molly and she's there with me from last 3 years now. Since childhood till now, I had more than 9 cats. I had more than Moti was having 16 kids. So 16. Sophie or दो Dashin, Prince and Princess, दो Dashin. Then I had German Shepherd. I had a normal dog. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Normal dog. And then I came here, I bought Pitbull. And then I since childhood, babe, not just now, since childhood I loved it. More than 25 dogs I had it, and now Molly is there.
అమలా గారి వర్క్ గురించి ఐడియా ఉందా పెట్స్
हाँ, मेरी माँ तो पानी मार के भगाती थी. मेरी माँ, they'll come and be with me because I used to give love.
అమలా గారు నాగార్జున గారి వైఫ్
अच्छा, Amla. Oh, okay. I thought you were saying Amma, my mother.
అమలా
So that was there, and then I had 2 monkeys, and I had parrot. My father was having 1 monkey, normal one, and then goats and chicken, desi chicken.
ఓకే
I love pets. मेरी माँ बोलती ना बेटा तू. I was telling Gopi the other day, Gopi, I wanna actually genuinely I wanna pet buffalo.
ఓకే
They look so cute.
ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో మీ ఇంట్లో సరిపోతుందా ప్లేస్
No, no, my mother is saying buy a bungalow. You keep it in your backyard, your zoo. So I wanna have a proper goat, hen. I like it. It's a time pass. It's not time pass. It's just the love you wanna give. That's what. Because my goat used to touch his head on my head to love me. So that's when I miss my goat. In Muslim, you're supposed to take care of your goat, and then Bakra Eid mein you're supposed to give it, because there is a saying like Allah maaf karna, I forgot the name, but then there is a saying a guy was said to give bali of his son, so he was ready. So when he was ready, so then that's where the God was like, you know what, no, wait. Instead of that, you do it on the goat. So that's the reason why in Muslim you're supposed to take care of a goat for a whole year as your own child. And then you cannot give the bali. You cannot. And when you do it, so that's where the heart breaks. So that's the ritual. The ritual is completely different, and you cannot break that ritual.
ఇప్పుడు ఇండస్ట్రీలో అమలా గారు ఉన్నారు కదా అమలా గారు ఇలాంటి యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు ఐడియా ఉందా మీకు అండ్ యా బ్లూ క్రాస్
Yes, Blue Cross, correct.
హ్యావ్ యూ బీన్ టు దేర్
No, babe. I don't get out of my house. Because as soon as I get out, good luck, right now nobody is there. Otherwise you saw when I came what was happening. तो मेरा घर के नीचे ही उतर के तो सब वॉचमैन ऐसा, तो अभी उनको मना भी नहीं कर सकते हैं ना. हाँ सर, ओके सर, ऐसा होता है. तो इसके लिए आई डोंट गेट आउट ऑफ द हाउस ऑल्सो.
ఏం టాటూయింగ్ ఇష్టమా బాగా
Yes.
ఆ సాంగ్లో కూడా పోకరి సాంగ్లో కూడా మీ
Yes. I have 10 tattoos
ఓవరాల్
overall. 10.
ఏ ఏజ్లో
16. 16 I started piercing, tattoo. If you tell me, Mumayat, I'll pay for your tattoo, get your whole back tattoo done, I will do it. अरे कर ले. फिर बोल सकती ना माँ को मैंने तो पैसा नहीं दी, मैंने नहीं, उसने बोली है, मैंने नहीं करी. हाँ हो गया ना मम्मी, fuck it. ऐसा. I don't do it.
అండ్ ముమైత్ ఖాన్ స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్కే కాకుండా యాక్టింగ్ కూడా చేసింది కొన్ని మూవీస్లో బట్ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారంటే సాంగ్స్లోనే స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్లోనే తెలుసా అది మీకు
Yes, they like that one also, and they like me in, they like my Maisam IPS character. They keep telling me about that. Madam, Saya Maisam IPS. Thanks to Dasari Garu sir, man. Dasari sir has done a fantastic job with me. I don't know why and how he saw that girl in me. I don't have any. You know how I went and I met him? In my La Senza pajama and t-shirt and a Bata chappal. I was at the shoot.
యూ లవ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇట్స్ బీన్ 10 years I think as the song.
I love this song from Munna movie.
Manasa, got it. Yeah.
I love that
Sing for us.
మనసా నువ్వుందే చోటే చెప్పమ్మా, మనసే నీకేదో చెప్పాలందమ్మా, నిన్న మొన్న ఇవైనమ్మాలో లేదమ్మా, ఈ రోజేతో ఆనందం చంపేస్తుందమ్మా. मुझे इतना ही आता है उसका, वो उतना ही काफी है. She is so nice.
ముమైత్ ఖాన్ ఒక పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైంలో పీక్స్లో ఉంది తన కెరియర్లో పీక్స్లో ఉన్న టైంలో ఈ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక డెసిషన్ తీసుకున్నారు ఇంకా మూవీస్లో ఐటమ్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండకూడదు అని స్పెషల్ సాంగ్స్ ఉండకూడదు అని సో అప్పుడు ముమైత్ ఖాన్ ఎలా రియాక్ట్ అయింది అంటే అప్పుడు తన పీక్స్లో అవే చేస్తుంది,
matter to me, babe. First,
అప్పుడు మీకు అవే ఛాన్స్లు వస్తున్న టైంలో ఈ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు. సో ఏంటి నెక్స్ట్
acting, character.
అప్పటికే మీకు ఛాన్స్ వచ్చాయి.
Of course, babe. Industry got a lot of work, yaar.
ఇండస్ట్రీ గోట్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్, బట్ మీకు వస్తుందా అని మీకు అనిపించింది?
That's the reason why I never categorize myself in one thing, na. Yes. That is the reason why it's not like you'll only find Mumayat doing item song, or you'll find Mumayat doing a character, or you'll find Mumayat doing female oriented song. Creative. I'm a very creative person, and our industry is very creative. So I know I'll have place, and anywhere I'll have place in the industry when it comes to creativity. So it never matters. चलती है गाड़ी, नहीं चली क्या करेगा इंसान? इंसान चलता है, नहीं चला तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You just have to be happy. That's it.
ఒక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతాను, రేట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆన్ దట్.
Oh, okay.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ చైల్డ్.
Oh, 10 out of 10. आज तक का खून में भरा है.
ముమైత్ యాజ్ ఎ సిస్టర్.
Oh, 3 out of 10. I like to get pampered from my family. So I will give myself 3 because I don't do anything. They'll only do for me. My sisters, they do it for me. Okay. It's because of my father. Because my father loves me. He pampers me a lot. तो फादर की वजह से सब बहनों को मुझे पैम्पर करना पड़ता है. अब बहन लोग तो कर रहे हैं, now nephews are also pampering me. They know auntie कैसी है. For them also it's very clear. So as a sister I will give myself 3, very low point.
ఓకే. హౌ సెంటీ రేట్, హౌ సెంటీ యు ఆర్?
270 man. इसके लिए I become strong. खराब लगता है, इंसान है, we are human यार.
ఓకే.
So it is I'm sorry, I am like this with my close people. I am like this and I'll always gonna be like this. If you hate me, stop talking to me, it doesn't matter. But one day for sure you will call me, one day for sure you'll come back to me. I know that for sure. As a friend, I'm a very good friend.
హౌ రొమాంటిక్ యు ఆర్?
नहीं रे. I am not.
Hey, you've been in 4 relationships, you're not romantic. Don't tell me that's the reason why you got broke up.
No man, they always had ego with me, for God's sake. Not because I was not romantic, dude.
Yeah,
You help me. My first relationship was for 4 years. My second relationship was for 3.5. And my third relationship was 2 years. Now my last relationship was 1.5, 2 years.
your graph is like,
है ना? तो इसके लिए कुछ रेट ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मनी नहीं है.
at least from your side.
See, as a romantic person and caring and loving, I'm 10 out of 10.
Yes.
When you ask me this. But when you talk about in the relationship sensible talk, then I will not listen to anybody. So that's where the graph, I don't know where it goes. And the only love is going to be there only for the family. The care, love, romance, it's only going to be for the family. My sister, when she was here, मुन्नू तेरे लेफ्ट साइड के टकले में ना ऐसा 0-0 अंडा बना है वायर का. मैंने कहा ब्रेन ये क्या है? बोलती है हाँ मुन्नू तेरे ब्रेन में ना 0-0 वायर है. अच्छा ठीक है, ऐसा कचरा दिख रहा है. बोलती है कचरा है.
ఓకే ముమైత్, చాలా టైం స్పెండ్ చేసాం మీతో. నేను అసలు యాక్చువల్లీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇంత మాట్లాడేది. నేను విన్నాను మీ గురించి చాలా ఓపెన్గా మాట్లాడతారు అని. అండ్ సీరియస్లీ ఒక నార్మల్ పర్సన్ నుండి తెలుసుకోవడం కంటే అది ఫేస్ చేసి వచ్చి ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని డైజెస్ట్ చేసుకొని వాటిని ఫైట్ చేసి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి వినడం ఇంకా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అది రియల్గా నేను చూసాను ఇవాళ. అండ్ యూఆర్ సో ఇన్స్పిరేషనల్ ముమైత్.
Exactly. See, I am very happy and I'm glad that you guys called me over here, taking my interview and knowing me as a person the way I am. So for me, the reason why to do this interview, because it was more on a personal level. It was more on what exactly I've been doing in my life and what's happening and what's not happening, because that's very less you get to see, because most of the time being an artist, you're supposed to promote your movies, you're supposed to promote your songs, you're supposed to promote a lot of things. But very hardly you get to connect with people from heart to heart. Especially when it comes to online or talking any wrong things about me, which is not even true, which I really don't even care about. Genuinely, I don't even care about it. It is okay, let them do it. They'll get the likes, they'll get the hits, and unka rolling chalta rahega. So coming here, making people aware of lot of things and making them aware of problems hota hai. You will go through up and down. So you be happy, stay yourself, keep motivating. गिरता है ना उठा देना उन लोग को बस. जो भी गिरे ना उनको उठा देना. That's the only thing. So enjoy, keep enjoying your life and stay happy and keep smiling. Be sadist also sometime. It's fun.